for this opportunity. And first of all, let me greet everybody here present. We have done what we could do, and we have partly and completed most of our tasks. And at this juncture, I must just remind all of us here that to every song, it has a beginning, and equally it has to come to an end. And equally, when I came into this office, 2019, I've never dreamt that one day I'll be governor. I've never thought so. And until I was just called and appointed as a governor of these regions. And I have to readjust from being a regional councillor from Dangwa constituency. And when I came to the office, I equally share the same sentiment the current governor has spoken about. And we have endured through all this. And I remember the time when I came to office, it was one of the worst droughts this country could have ever experienced. And we've toiled on. Immediately after it, COVID came. Everything came to a standstill. But we've stayed firm and our head up in ensuring that, yes, let us aggressively awaken our nation so that we can overcome that pandemic. And we did so, though we have lost some life. Equally, the economy of the country, there was a big recession. And we've toiled on with all of us here, to ensure that we revive and awaken the spirit of our people, and we've done so. So, equally, I've been always reminding people, and those who have been working closely with me, and I said, yes, I'm here on a contract for 5 years. And I've been reminding people, I said, I'm here on a contract, and I have to make sure that, whatever is outstanding, let them be carried. And I will proudly leave this office, not with any regret at all, but with dignity I pick up. And one of the things, as an academic myself, of note, in the field I specialize, I said, yes, in as much you can talk, and we do not have a blueprint for the regions in terms of, developmental anchors, will never go anywhere. And my strongest emphasis was, let us ensure that the region is well demarcated, and equally through our collectiveness, all of us was ensured. One of the most problematic documentation the regions could have achieved was a land use plan, and we've done it. My regional councillors. We have done it. And with the belief I had, I said we cannot talk of any development as long as the region does not have a land use plan map. And we have done it within a period of 3 years discussions. And it has been gazetted by government. And the other thing, the road master plan we just concluded recently. These are some achievements because the region itself, south of B1, there was no any major road, tower road. And now at least it starts with the Kuyushon, and it will soon end up at Otamanzi. As time goes, I hope and believe the new governor will pursue and engage on all those developments. It was an easy task to do so. Equally also, the collaborations we've strengthened through various specialized committees at the regional level we have done. We have done it. And to inform you, more especially on security matters, this region has been advising the entire country. It was from Oshana. Thank you, the security clusters. We have done it. And on education, we have pursued and all the ideas the nation has been crying about, the concern they have, they emanated. Anything you are hearing, either from NASA, UNAM, admission requirements, and many others, issues with regard to education, we have advised accordingly, and they've been accepted. Thank you to our educational committee. On the issues of waters, we have embarked upon swift responses to ensure that no one, no sender, no community within Oshana, will be dying of thirsty, and we have done so. Equally, at the last, I need to inform you that, there have been many questions. Where are you going to go and so on, and what's up? I said, hey, people, Irimari is not blind. No, Irimari is disabled. I've been serving this region politically when I was a student activist in the 80s, of whereby I've been a leader. I've been a leader of the students. I've been a leader of the teachers, of the trade unions, and I've been a leader of many sports institutions in this country. And I have been a leader of myself. And that's why there is nothing, no one, no community here protested against Irimari. No anything, I don't have to look back and say, that's a regret when I was as a leader here. But I need to assure you that I will not sing a swan song. A swan song of apprehensions. Nor will I sing a swan song, of giving up in life. Never at all. This country has endless opportunities. Do you understand? Those are open everywhere. Anything to be done by any person is for the total development of our vision of this country. So it's on this basis. First of all, let me proudly give over this office. I've been serving for 6 years and 2 months. And first of all, there is what we call the supreme law of the country, which is the Constitution. Are we there? Yes. Now, with the love of my country, my brother, you must know that he has been my junior in politics, student politics, teachers politics, everywhere. And it's good that, he's taking over from a world stable politician. My brother, let me give you this Constitution. It should be the guide. It should be the guide. Everything is in here. Even the power you are given, governorship is a constitutional power. But remember, Irimari has never used it in Oshana. To use my constitutional power, I've never done so. But also follow on the footstep. Let me talk to them. Over to you. And also, one of the documents on the Anti-Corruption Act, and also understand, you will find yourself in a very highly complex institutions. You will be dealing with a variety of institutions here. And also one thing all of us will never know is what is in my mind in terms of whenever I want to do something which is not ethical, but let this book guide you to ensure that we eradicate corruption in the region. Also equally, before I give you the flag, also to remind you that there is a development program, medium-term expenditure framework, 2025 to 2028. This is the book which contains all the envisaged programs for the development of your region. And it is through this book. There will be no will invention. All has been planned, and we have to go accordingly to this book. Such a thick book, but you can only look at your sector, and that can be your compass to see to it whether these are being implemented or not. I hereby give you this book. Equally, let me also give you the document of the state of the regional address. All the SORAs are here. They are all here. And we also thought and said, I cannot leave an office with incomplete matters as a teacher myself and professionals. And we've completed the state of the regional address, of which you are going to address it on the 1st of August. Equally, let me give over to you our national symbols, which is the flag, ribbon flag, and all these flags. And also, the key. Now remember, people, the truth is, this is the first time I'm touching this key. Yeah. Nor equally do I have the, what do you call biometric, to get into the office. Nor do I know the key of my own office. I said for security and control, and so that you cannot be blamed, because I've done security matters also. I said I will never touch any key in the office. I can only get in the office whenever there are people. I've never been there in that office alone. So I hope you follow me in my footsteps. The prophecies. So I hereby hand over these keys to you. Ewa, edi mari na tukira ure nini, na ata mutiro kekida.